Yeah, I'll show you.
Sometimes those, like, it's weird, bro.
As long as you get the goods at the end of the day.
Alright, Diddy, chill.
Yeah, take it easy, buddy.
Yeah, whoa there, bro.
Take it easy,
I don't think
buddy.
you know what's going on the outside world. You gotta be
Yeah.
careful with the way you speak to these kids out here.
You might end up somewhere you didn't expect, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all fun and games until that shit's reality, dude. Like,
No news.
76% in 1 year. That's crazy. Huge.
Dude, you said your name. He's talking to you.
I knew it, dude.
There's our market open. Oh.
They twin brothers too. Oh, they're part of the Gemini shit. That company's gonna be big, dude.
Yeah, it is.
They're gonna be rich as fuck, dude. Good for them. We're gonna be the next one. Crypto bank is coming. Be careful.
Crypto bank, be careful.
CB, bro. CB. He looks like he's related to that Pedro actor.
Pedro, oh yeah.
The Fantastic Four.
Yeah.
He looks like he's his older brother, dude.
No, you're right. He could pull it off.
Or cousins or something, you know?
36% jump in Goldman Sachs shares,
Yeah,
Jim, and
it's
Damn.
become one of the largest position in my trust.
Damn, just
Because
in
it's
May,
going up a
or
lot.
what was that,
I would say
April?
that David Solomon, when he came on, David Solomon was not that bullish, okay? David Solomon was saying,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we'll see it, it's okay. And then he talks about the worries, he's got the bond
Dude,
market,
it almost hit
COVID,
450,
no,
and then it
money.
doubled.
well, we just had
Yeah, that's pretty
Did you put
crazy.
an M right there between April and now? You don't leave an M, dude.
That's how it is, dude.
Some people put 10, like there's someone probably put 100 M's on that shit. They just made another 100 M's. Like,
That's how it is.
Well, look, that's
Shit's crazy.
it's nuts, dude.
certainly want to do that, but I also remember when I would have said that Goldman would have a super premium to the average stock, and Goldman, frankly, I mean, I've got a lot of stocks that are, let's just say, boring transportation stocks that have much higher multiple than Goldman Sachs. David, if we care about price earnings multiples, the financial systems are well behind, as they have been ever since 2009.
Yeah. All right. Fair point. But I am seeing, again, Goldman Sachs, the best performers, as Carl just mentioned. J.P. Morgan has an
Well, what should be the worst performer?
It has an $836 billion market cap. J.P. Morgan. I mean, it's going to be the
Why
$1 trillion
shouldn't?
club at this rate soon.
Well, it's not that hard to break into it these days, David.
Meantime, speaking of JP Morgan, guys, the trading desk this morning, Jim, with a note, trying to make the argument very short term that next week's Fed decision might be a sell the news, might rekindle some thoughts about stretch positioning, fading buyback tailwinds. I wonder if you think we're due for a 3 or 5% correction.
Well, it is September,
Yeah,
and I think
everything's
there's
going
a
on,
lot of
dude.
people on the sidelines. You said something the other day, Carl. It's so true. The people who've been on the sidelines, they're going to start feeling the heat of their investors, and I think they've all been waiting for a big break in the market. I think we could have a 1 or 2% correction. I don't know whether it would be much more, unless the president comes out on True Social and says that the Dow's overvalued. And I don't think he's going to do that.
Yeah, I mean, for all the worries we had, David, about September, we've had 4 all-time highs in 8 sessions so far.
Yeah, we're looking at an S&P that's up roughly 12% for the year, and the Nasdaq obviously performing even better than that, and getting ready for next week in the Fed. Guys, I did want to move to some other news this morning. We'll get to Adobe earnings, but the OpenAI. I mean, Carl, Carl just mentioned the enormous capital needs of OpenAI. We've talked about it endlessly here. The $300 billion that they are now basically to Oracle that sent that stock soaring over the next 5 years. Broadcom. I mean, you go through all of the different commitments that they have. It is truly shocking how much they're going to need to both raise. Now, the revenues are also going up at a shocking rate, and I think it's the expectation of the company that will continue. We can't show you a chart of OpenAI, can we? Because it's a private company, even though it's worth some $500 billion in those private markets. At least that's where employees most recently sold their stock.
$500
And Jim, I think
billion
important to
on the
mention,
private
following up
markets.
on what I was
500
reporting on
billion,
yesterday,
dude.
the continued restructuring of this company. We did late in the day yesterday get the latest update from OpenAI in terms of where things stand with their one-time most important partner, Microsoft. No longer the case, obviously. SoftBank now perhaps is in that role, and there may be others as well. But they have signed a non-binding memorandum of understanding for the next phase of their partnership, they call it, actively working to finalize contractual terms for a definitive agreement that will...
Alright, we got a minute. Let me go finish the coffee.
Nah, dude.
Nah, dude.
Nah, dude.
Nah, dude.
Nah, dude. Oh, look at it go, dude. Look at it go, dude. Look at it go, dude. That movement.
OpenAI nonprofit will be paired with an equity stake in the public benefit corporation. That's what OpenAI will become, where they're doing the business, and they'll have a stake in the nonprofit of $100 billion. So right now, about 20%, let's call it, of the public benefit corporation. But the fact that there perhaps is a détente here and an ability
Boom, bro.
Azure. And one of the things that people
Much
thought
love.
was,
Mhm.
wait a minute, maybe Azure, Microsoft's equivalent of Amazon Web Services, is really coming on strong. David, what I hear from you, if you split these two companies up, maybe Azure's not growing as fast. Maybe Amazon Web Services is not that far behind. I want to know that.
Because you're saying that the growth is largely as a result of OpenAI?
The last big delta in growth might have been OpenAI. It was such a huge move. I want to see the breakdown of how much was OpenAI. Everyone wants to know how much OpenAI is really doing. I want to know how much it is, how much of Azure was dependent upon OpenAI, and maybe that goes away. Maybe it goes away, and suddenly I have to be on Microsoft for my account trust. I don't want that, but I know that Amazon Web Services has been feeling the heat.
Look, we've made a chart of OpenAI. This is a historic moment here. As our analyst starts to adjust to the fact that there's an enormous market that doesn't have public companies. We're trying. That's not really telling you much because it doesn't trade, folks.
Well,
but it does
it
show
could be
that
upside down
increase.
for all I know.
Where they've done the latest round. I don't even really know what that number is. I guess is that that's what the number is. 469 billion.
No intraday on that one.
No intraday. But we're trying. We're trying to adjust to the real
What's
world.
he saying on that? You know?
Yes. Although
Okay.
the one important public company, Jim, that we are talking about today is Apple. There was actually an item on the wire today. I know Tim mentioned eSIM to you, but there was an item in the wire, I think from a competing wire service that said maybe a delay of the air in China because of eSIM and some regulatory issues.
Oh, well, we're definitely going to talk about that. I do want to just show you a little bit more tape of my talk this morning, which is really a preface to how we're going to deal with the with tariffs and all sorts of trade international, and don't forget India too.
We'll take 500 billion selfies with iPhones
Tim Cook,
every
dude.
year.
I think I did 100 billion.
If all of us were in a selfie, we would enter one at a time. The phone would recalibrate.
All right, well, can we get someone in the selfie that we really just respect as
Yeah,
well?
let's get him
We
in
got
here.
Wendell Weekson from Cornell.
Cornell.
Oh,
So glad to be here. So glad to be here.
Welcome to Harrisburg, Kentucky. Welcome, buddy.
Here we go. Let's see.
Please, like you, that community is the most important thing. Community is not just a
There's a short entry, but
It's so that we have
I didn't even like.
No, dude.
sometimes, as you said, we've lost the ability to do it.
It's moving really fast right now.
I'm just gonna wait a little
What's
bit.
the VIX at?
We actually built it in the 50s, but we view it as our job to keep working with
Oh,
great
okay.
customers like Apple. We keep innovating and changing the products that we do here because we're committed to the community and the people of the community. Today, you guys will get a chance
Not
to
bad.
meet with folks whose family have been here for 3 generations working in the plant. It's really cool.
Well, but you know that there's a perception in America that it's too expensive. Around the world, too expensive to build things here and not good enough. We can't do it. And yet, even from when we started, it was Cold War.
I just don't want to take that. Really.
Steve Jobs.
You know what I mean?
Trepidation.
I wouldn't.
With this room right here, I mean, I want to see it come up a little bit or something like.
We built the very first
You know what I mean?
What does it look like on the 15?
My friend there was 17 years ago, right?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna wait.
And now we're going to dedicate 100% of this factory, triple its production, all aimed at the newest generations of Apple phones.
Now, next year, every iPhone sold in the world, not just in the United States, but sold in the world, and every Apple Watch will contain glass from this factory.
Damn, that's crazy.
That's how they got around the tariffs,
Yeah.
dude. It's because they started building
Yes, they
factories
had
here.
to. Trump's forced everybody to.
How are you able to pull this off? Because a lot of it is
It's pretty impressive, actually.
Well, it makes sense, dude. These billionaires are getting too greedy.
But you do it.
Trump in that aspect is legit. Obviously, I wouldn't agree with everything he's done,
Mhm.
but if you think about it, now that's bringing more jobs here, and it forces them to make the price where they can't jack up the price.
True.
Because if they jack up the price, they're not going to sell as much. So they have to eat it. They just have to eat that difference.
Back and front in this factor.
We're talking about things that aren't supposed to be able to happen. We're talking about an old plan. Americans supposed to not be able to do anything nearly as good as people in Asia. I'm not being jingle.
Is that the new iPhone? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's the 17. The
Yeah.
that's the area.
It looks interesting.
Have created something that I think is very different, Carl.
Yeah, it's kind of fucked up that that thing's $1,000. It's got a smaller battery.
People will buy the shit out of
And
it.
it could break.
This is the real thing, and it's made right here. This glass.
Alright, you don't go for theater, although those guys
I mean, we're into that moving average on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
you know,
Let's see if it tests it.
I'd love to see in one, Jim.
Just to tap off. This
Yeah,
is.
no, okay.
We are going to talk extensively about China, we're going to talk a lot about India, we'll talk about tariffs, talk about President Trump. But I also want to talk about the Wendell Weeks.
There's your entry on the 2 minute. But I still, I'm not really feeling this yet. I really am just not.
It is huge in the data center, yet nobody talks about it. Drives me crazy. Look
Jim,
at
we should probably, if we're gonna talk manufacturing, we should at least touch on this Hyundai plant in Georgia and the South Korean workers that landed in Seoul overnight. I mean, the South Koreans, they're not pleased with the way their workers.
I'm just seeing like this.
And videotaped in shackles, and I wonder if you think that will be a suppressant on foreign investment.
Oh, God bless you. Don't die over there, dude.
President once.
Jesus Christ.
Korea, Mexico, and then Japan. So when you're looking for allies,
I'm seeing like this upswing.
this doesn't.
Overall upswing, you know. And it's not coming down that much now, as you see.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
We didn't get to the numbers, Jim. We were obviously,
Good thing I didn't take it.
well, I mean, it is one of the bigger companies, certainly one of the ones.
But now it's like, okay, what are we looking for here?
Digital media, say
Maybe something like this.
Stock's down about 1.5%.
Let's see.
For looking up in the pre-market.
Hmm?
Yeah, okay, so people want
A little one of these,
What
maybe?
they didn't realize is in the comp school is so much of what they did in those record numbers is raising price. It's not
Or
raising
something like
customers.
that.
Now they do have some new customers, obviously, but when you raise price in order to be able to make it in the software as a service business, people are seeing through that and they're saying, you know what? No matter how much AI they have, and they have a lot more than 5 million AI, it's
Maybe.
not enough. David, you know what? This
That's what I'm hoping
you know
for.
it's like Salesforce.
So you, okay. So you're thinking more bullish.
I really am, even though this is like technically a bear swing.
Mm-hmm.
Just the 15 minute barely closed below it. It was all the way down here.
Yeah.
Like it could have easily just.
It didn't close down there though.
Yeah.
It didn't fill.
On the 5 minute, we basically came up this whole bar. Like on the next bar. So it's not that bullish on the 5 minute, but like it's still not great.
Yeah, it's a little 50-50 mix right now.
There's your entry on the 3 minute to short right there.
That's the operative term you're going to be hearing going forward. The number of seats are shrinking. Now, the new
But I'm
plan
not.
Salesforce has as a consumption model. In other words, it's not about
Yeah,
using
here we
seats,
go.
but the old Salesforce seats could go down because you can develop product. You can develop it with AI, a lot of tools that make it so that you can do this stuff yourself.
I kind of want to see this come up a little more.
But you know what? That just doesn't matter.
Just a wee bit.
Just a wee bit, just like a little
Smidge, dude.
Just a little smidge right here, maybe, or something.
Warner Brothers shares continue an incredible march higher, up another 10%. And Paramount, this is even perhaps more, in some ways, more curious. As I explained earlier, if
Yeah, I mean, look at it.
the bid
This and ES is like,
for Warner Brothers is largely cash. Companies
you
have to
know,
get it somewhere. Now they can finance to a certain extent, but the expectation as well is there's going to be
maybe a
lot more
rejection
activity
off the 5, we'll see.
Paramount to help them then turn around and pay cash for Warner Brothers Discovery, or at least make that.
This
clear.
candle just opened,
That
so.
could come from Larry Ellison, maybe some of the other partners such as Redbird, or most likely to some extent, but mostly Ellison himself. He's going to get comment or memeified a bit as well. When they announced, remember, the UFC deal, some said, hey, I know I talked to others who were below that. They were well below what Paramount was willing
Yeah,
to
if I'm
pay.
going short, I mean, now's the time.
For years,
Really.
landed a number
But
that
I'm
was
not going to.
competitors, to be fair, was well below what they would have paid.
Yeah, that was like the
But
perfect
the
time.
question even now is the current EBITDA number at Paramount and whether in fact that may be a bit overstated. We'll see. My point though is
But this
that
V
strength is only helpful.
is a reversal indicator usually, so like the big strong V like this.
Like to the downside.
No, just like one of these. Literally, is one of these.
There's also been some questions about tax
Like
status.
literally a V.
No, I got
Yeah.
it. So, but which direction?
Either way, if it's
Oh, so it can go. Okay.
if
okay.
it's
I
a
get what you're
V
getting.
or the other way, it's a reversal. Like usually, it's you have that. You have the head and shoulders, the double top, all that shit that we've been talking about. It's the same. Not the same thing, but it's all
No, I know. They
showing
all-
you that it's probably gonna flip. You mix that with what we know with volume, like look at the high volume here on the sell on the 1 minute.
No, I know. I what I try to do is based off of like what the market's recently done in the last like week or two, and for what I've seen, this V, theoretically it should go up from here. Like
Yeah, I
like
actually totally
the way
missed that trade.
the way that it should go up right here.
Maybe trade for the SPX and they do it in different stocks. David, the one thing I'm trying to figure out if you step back, a lot of people thought media was left for dead. I mean, look, and there's a lot of companies that just want to get rid of get it off their sheets. They think it's awful, and it produces like business news, which is nothing, and general news. Are the big bosses wrong? It turned out that maybe TV's worth a little more than we thought.
Well, I think there's certainly a belief that broadcast is worth more. As for cable networks, I guess we'll soon find out when we are, of course, publicly traded.
Yeah, I
company
could
in
buy
the
this here.
Which will be our parent company. Broadcast still is right now. Then we'll get a better sense. I'll leave it to the market to decide.
Maybe we're a steal. We don't know. Hey, maybe we can't wait to get our own stock. There's something. Maybe. I thought it was bad. Now after today, I'm thinking, hey.
Let's see.
Maybe everybody wants to buy us too. Maybe.
If it doesn't break to the downside right now, it should go up. You should try to grab a couple points.
There was talk about
Listen to your business channel.
TV and Comedy Central. Yeah, some of those legacy brands.
Yes, but listen, they had great franchises once. What's MTV now? It's that one guy with that one show.
What is
Over
the
and over again.
favorite
What that show
word?
for?
Guys, watch bonds
Can't
today.
even put a number on what the favorite reports were.
We'll get you, Mish, in about 10 minutes. 10-year, as you know, dipped below 4 earlier in the week, now back to 406. Dow and S&P are down a touch, but Nasdaq all-time high. Stay with us.
This is Mia. She dreams of taking her boutique swimwear brand nationwide. With her business growing so fast, she needs fast funding to keep making waves. That's why Mia has U.S. Bank Business Essentials, a combination of checking and card payment processing, giving her access to funds typically in 24 hours. Because we love watching her make a splash. That's the power of Mia.
I'm not liking that on the 5 minute, to be honest with
Of
you.
us.
15 minutes, not great yet. But on the 1 minute, it's just rejected a little bit, you know? So I want to see this break above this high, but we'll see. Let's see if we get another rejection on this.
As leaders in
Or
commercial
not.
property insurance, our risk engineering approach helps you see what others don't. So together, we can protect your business and your community in ways
This is
others
definitely a little
can't.
messy right here.
FM. We're all busy. Busy taking notes and busy making notes and busy turning long-winded summaries into something a little more digestible, please. Busy closing loops, busy writing back, busy crafting the perfect response, busy replying, oh, busy optimizing. emphasizing onboarding, offloading.
This might have been the one for a short. We'll see. We'll see if it does what I thought, or if it's just gonna. We have 1 minute 18 seconds left.
What if he doesn't look like his photo? Well, at least he's adventurous. But what if he's stuck in the past? At least he plays a guitar. What if he has a cat? Or cats? Or 35 cats? Well, he's an animal lover.
Sophie?
Hey.
A taste of real when you need it most. Goya coconut water with real coconut bites.
I would risk less.
Right there.
Yeah. It's really messy right now. This could go either way, to be honest. I'm keeping it a buck with you. I really hope it goes to the upside. Like, I'm really praying right now.
You've only one life.
And you can just get in and out.
All out. The only way you're gonna accomplish all the big goals is if you have a vision. Find out what you want to do, set the goal really high, and go all out. And then you bring another vision, and another vision, another vision. That's being ambitious, be useful. That's what my father always said. Don't just waste this life.
Come on, give me a new high. Give me a new high. Give me a new high. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Right here, right here, right here. Right there. Come on.
Tim, pre-ordering is started.
The day has started.
It's a big day for you, isn't it?
It's like Christmas morning for me. I'm opening the gift to find out how many orders there are.
As Apple's Tim Cook with Jim this morning ahead of a big Mad Money tonight.
Yeah,
Jim.
well, you got out a lot, Coach. David's right. David's actually right. And
Yes.
of course, we've got this new selfie device. You see this selfie device? I mean, look at this. You are literally, it's a two-way selfie. We're going to talk about that, and then we're going to
You got the two-way selfie.
spending $600 billion over the course of 4 years, and another company that is doing amazing things away from glass. I cannot wait, guys. Thank you so much for the fact
Two-way selfie? Like you can take you and that?
Well, he was showing it. He had the phone flipped.
Mm-hmm.
You are welcome,
And
Jim. I'm so
then-
happy to have been here. I'm just sorry we
So
weren't
like you
able
can
to
be filming,
next week, but
like showing what you're doing,
Mhm.
and then still it still shows your face.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
So you know when like you go out of the app, like the FaceTime, and you go do other things, like it'll still show your face, and then like it will show what you're doing type shit, like when you're going through, or if like you're on a trail and you're filming the trail, it will show the trail and then a little picture of you.
Nice. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
But I hope you guys have a good weekend, and I can't wait for today. I love this stuff, you know that.
It's a good
See, look at like he's doing it to him, and then it's filming back
in a big way. We did play
Mm-hmm.
this way.
Yep, housing, tariffs, discounting, furniture, tough business.
Yeah, it always was a tough business. You got to go to Hot Point, North Carolina. The president's right. That's where the upholstery's going to be made. That's how you have to do it.
We got another minute here, Jim. Another name, I mean, Carl and I were talking, I don't know, Tesla shares are up over 4%. I'm not
Big
seeing
green
any
volume
news,
here.
don't know.
I want this 30 minute to close nice and green, dude. I'll put my stop loss right there, dude.
Wow.
You know what I mean?
People recognize what it really is. It's autonomous driving, and it is robots.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
David, that's just a great call when you see that, right?
It is, yes.
Still 12 seconds, 10, 9.
Warning. Again, that's
Nice.
probably why there was an engine potentially leak, so to speak. But
I'm just keeping an eye on the volume.
to see who did that trade. That's they made a lot of money, and some value potentially lost. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Carl, this is amazing. You sit here, we keep thinking that Amazon, Apple, Netflix, that they're going to save us. I mean, do you think they're sitting around saying, "Ooh, we got to save them"?
Jim, we look forward to tonight. We'll see you at 6. Mad Money, 6 p.m.
Thanks, you
Eastern time on the
guys.
show.
Wendell and Tim.
When we come back, you Mitch after the break.
Dude, they keep showing the same fucking thing.
They have the most bullshit ads.
Dude, it's all about HIV and all this gay shit, and I'm just like, dude, like, why y'all, like, chill, bruh.
Order filled.
There you go.
See if we can get this on the 2 minute maybe. It's a little smoother.
Mm-hmm.
We came up right there though, man. Right there, really? You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
That motherfucker's gone, dude.
Which it should be doing. It's at least moving semi-naturally.
Nice.
This account's looking really good.
Up 1,500.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this is the most consistent we've ever been. Look at that.
Yeah.
This is the most consistent we've ever been. 2K this week, almost.
Mm-hmm.
It's not
You've
bad.
had better weeks, but those were all just luck. Like, obviously you had the skill to catch the luck, but those were just lucky runs. Like,
Mhm.
this is, you earned this one. Like,
Mhm.
this was like, that's a solid 2 right there. Like,
No, I feel that.
that's a solid 2. Way better than an iffy 6, dude. Like, I'll take 2 each week consistently than, you know, a lucky 6.
Mm-hmm. No, I'm with that too. Oh, this thing just did a weird.
Yeah, dude. You know, you did the right thing. This is what I was scared of it doing, and you managed it properly. You got out. Because this is some treacherous waters.
No, it is. Just days to go. That's why we're moving so much. That's why we're moving so much.
Yeah.
It's getting ready for the rate decision. They're just like the markets are prepping for what they expect it to be. They're just
Yeah.
moving towards there. That's all they do, man.
Makes sense.
All right.
And all the inflation numbers, but preliminary CEP could still change. 55.4 in headline. We're expecting a number well.
No, at least this curve looks nice. It's like
Sequentially lower, lowest since May of 25.
very consistent. Very consistent, which is nice.
Less than expected, less than last look, sequentially
Oh,
lower,
yeah.
also the lowest since May. And
Literally,
expectations
that one
for
trade
ahead, well, the scenario
was this the
doesn't
only
change.
thing.
51.8.
That was bad. That's 1,600.
Mhm.
So there's your weak consumer confidence. Now,
That was it.
look at inflation. 4.8 expected.
That was literally it.
That was it, man.
It was the only thing that stung. And there was only one thing, so that's good. That's really fucking good. A lot of people can't say that. A lot of people will have just as many or more wins, but their L's are way, like, that's literally all it comes down to is minimizing your L's. Because everyone could catch a dub.
No, for sure. Yeah.
You can always catch a nice win, but it's just, can you keep that win?
Mhm.
Can you maximize what you did and manage properly your trades to where even if you take a couple L's, you're still up. Like, that's the whole name of the game is making
Because
your win
right
loss
now
ratio.
our percentage is like so good that it's like even the days we do catch like a full loss, it's not the end of the world because 2 trades bring it back, and we've taken like we took how many yesterday? 3. We took 3 yesterday. I know this number's wrong. So it's 3, 1, 1, 1, right? 1, maybe 1 or 2.
Yeah.
So we're really like we're actually doing really good.
Yeah. So it considers it a trade when you
Sell.
At all. So if you do 10, let's say, contracts, and you tinker off 2, 2, 2, and 2, it's gonna make it seem like you did 5 trades.
Exactly. That's why it'll sometimes say 5. And my percentage is a little like wonky, but it is, but it's not. Because I'm as long as I sell one in profit, that counts towards winning trade.
Yeah.
And it's true. Like this is actually probably accurate, but we're still profitable. You know.
Makes sense.
So we'll get more winning trades, and this will go up.
Yeah.
So actually seeing this, it looks like I'm selling at about $300 in profit. So now if I just wait till like 500,000 or 600 and sell, maybe we can squeeze out a little bit more. Or just wait till 400 in profit and sell 1. You know, maybe.
Wait, how was the average win to average loss lower, and then the total P&L is higher?
Because I'll sell 1 in profit, $300, and then I'll sell another 1 in profit, $600. Sell another 1 in profit, $200 or whatever gets stopped out. So all 3 trades were in profit, but I could have 1 that just hits my stop loss, and I lost 2 positions, $1,600.
And
1 position is 800.
I see. So that one trade is what fucked up the whole ratio.
Yeah. Because I have 14 of these.
Yeah.
Where I only have 3 of these.
Yeah.
So the math is still good.
No, I know. It's just funny how on one end it's like nuts, and then the other end it's like, what the fuck?
Yeah. That one book I gave you has all the stats on shit like this, where it's like they even make their win rate is like 70% on one of their things, and their drawdown is way more on the stock market. But then they were like, they counted it out. They were like, even though your win rate is less, your risk to reward might be less. You're making money at the end of every year. You're making like $100 grand or whatever, taking this system. So
that's dope.
If we could just stay consistent like how we're doing, just keep taking profits.
Yeah. No, that's the name of the game. We can scale it later.
Yeah.
And right now with crunch time, I'm really trying to, if we can just do between now and October 9th, I'm going to get the little BS account up, pass it. If I can do that in 1 week, all I need between now and then, of pulling out 5 racks, maybe $1 grand or 2 off the first run, and then 5. That's my goal. I'm setting that as my goal before we leave. So then,
that's
you know, that if you can do 1,
write
2,
it down, man.
you can do 1 also. Then we can we'll have like 10 racks just chilling.
Let's write it down. Let's actually do this shit, man. Because I have a goal too, and I'm like, we can do it. Like I know we can.
16 by October 9.
Get like a payout, 5K payout.
Yeah.
Get a $5,000 payout, and you have hand sanitizer if you need that. And then I'll probably, I think I genuinely want like 20K payout.
Yeah, I feel you. No, that's a good one.
I think that's what I'm gonna go for. go, man. Good shit.
I think it's going to be the most interesting meeting that we have had.
Especially if Stephen Byron gets in the Fed by Tuesday. I mean, he's set for that Senate vote on Monday. I do wonder if he'll push for a 50. We were talking this morning, having a conversation internally about what the lot's priced in terms of Fed cuts. So what would Powell say? What would it take for the market to rally further and it not to be a sort of buy the rumor, sell the news? And I do think more dissent around 50 could do it because that would indicate that maybe
The best part is, man,
are doing more.
we did all that with no pre-market coffee and like not really being on top of our game. So
I know,
that actually
same.
took a lot of discipline and a lot because I don't have like rookie tweaking, dude.
I feel you.
I held it together, but I was like just waking up late and like no coffee, just
Bro, do it to you.
We still did it though. Good shit, man. Good shit today.
No, 700.
It's only 10 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
It's only 10 o'clock, man. Yeah, that's where we sold right there, and now we're just coming up making new highs. So that's actually pretty good. We didn't even have to hold that big crazy drawdown that we saw this weird thing. Really good, man. Good shit.
Jeremy, on some of these year-to-date winners, I mean, we've talked a lot about Micron this week, Oracle, obviously, Tesla today at 5% on no news. Do you think instead of like
It's crazy how like this did just about what I thought it was going to. Look at the path it took. Ready?
Yeah, it did exactly what you said.
Yeah, where is it? It's on the 1 minute. We'll do it like this.
Yeah, the last one you drew out.
Yeah, it was like
Oh yeah, now it's going.
Where was it, dude?
I mean,
It's
stagflation
on
is the sort of dirty word. Rick mentioned it on University of Michigan sentiment, which is weaker economy, higher inflation.
Wait, was it on the 15 minute or the 1 minute? What time frame did I draw that out on? I can't remember. But it did it. It did the V. Oh yeah.
It did. Yeah.
One of these right here, dude.
Yeah, there's the beginning of the V right there. Yeah, boom. V. What the fuck just happened? That was weird. That was so weird.
Here it's like this. Just do like this. Like,
Yeah.
just how we kind of called it, dude.
That's what I saw, but I wasn't sure if it was gonna do it or not.
Me either.
Because of how weird shit's been. Just like after that one trade when like I was like I'm feeling like it's gonna go down and just ran.
Yeah.
Dude. Like it ran like a motherfucker.
Here
so
it is.
that's why I was just like.
You kind of see it better now. Yeah. It's like perfect. That's why I tell you to read those books, man. They're not like useless, man. I'm telling. I learned this shit from them. Like.
No, reading is like the most slept on thing on this planet. I've been trying to expand my reading. I've always just tried to find the right people that, know what the fuck they're doing. I learn more hands-on than anything. That's just me personally, just because I'm dyslexic and a bunch of other fucking shit. But once I get something, and I know exactly all the ins and outs, then I know what I can bend and what I can't, and what I can get around, and what I have to go by. Alright, these are my strict rules in this aspect. I can't bend these, but these ones, in this aspect of things, I can get around in certain ways or whatever.
Yeah, let's keep it to a way you understand, and I'll try and do when I see stuff like that, I'll pull it up the reference for it or whatever, and we can both look at it.
Yeah,
that way,
I'm a visual learner.
That way we do that.
That's how I win. Oh, I need to
No, you're good.
Decadent ingredients that don't just taste good, they feel good. Dive into creations like brown butter chunk, made from golden, slow-churned butter or hotel chocolate chip with dark chocolate and fresh walnuts. Sample our signature red, white, and blue velvet, the buttered cookie you won't forget. Surrender to the cookie. Brew cookies. Find your fix at brew.com. That's BREOU.com.
Being a woman, it's a lot. And we wouldn't trade it for anything. You deserve real support. So we made science-backed solutions you can trust. Supporting you through every age, life stage, or magnificent mood change.
You probably know Vistaprint for business cards because we printed them for millions of small businesses over the past 25 years. And we also made size.
Good trading day today, guys. Great trading day. Probably done trading for the day, but I'm trying to look at some a resource I have real quick. Let me see.
At New York Life Investments, we offer sophisticated solutions across virtually every major asset class through multiple vehicles. We can help drive success for you and your clients through our practice-building platform, the Advisor Advancement Institute, and through our market insights and proprietary research. Discover what we can do for you. New York Life Investments.
Bro, can I No? Okay. These are all the books I've read or are reading, want to read, so on. I've finished just about all of these multiple times, but let's see this
My
one.
first ambition in life certainly was to be a pro athlete. I come from humble beginnings, born to teenage parents from Baltimore, Maryland. So for me, like many kids who aspire to change the
I literally can't.
through sports.
Okay, whatever.
Places that you can find, driving toward one goal. 100%, my leadership skills came from my time on the field as a quarterback. Our first person NFL VR game allows fans to see what it's like to be their favorite athlete. Being able to see an idea turn into a company is one of the most fulfilling things that you ever could experience.
Welcome back. Online real estate company Opendoor adding to its incredible year-to-date rally this week, jumping nearly 80% just yesterday after announcing a C-suite shuffle, including a new CEO and a new chairman. Shares are up more than 500% this year. Joining us now is the company's co-founder and new chairman, Keith Rabois. He's also a managing director at Coastal Ventures. Keith, this is such an interesting story. Obviously, this is the meme stock du jour. How did you get here? How did you come back? Co-founded the company, went public, started during the SPAC phase, was kind of left for dead, and now it's all that everyone's talking about. How did you come back to it?
I think it's very simple. Retail investors figured out the potential of the company. Experts, Wall Street experts, etc., missed the potential. Residential real estate in the world is about a $289 trillion asset, and nobody has transformed the buying and selling of real estate in the world. And Opendoor has the most likely shot on goal of fixing the transaction, both on the buy side and the sell side. So the potential of the company is infinite, and it took people like Eric Jackson, the activist investor, and normal American consumer to see that one way or the other, we're going to transform the way people buy and sell houses, and that it should be in a many people compare us to Carvana. I think I used to compare us publicly, on Twitter and X, to Carvana. I think the multiple of Opendoor should be comparable to Carvana. I think we have less competition and more upside. So I think hopefully we do better than Carvana. But that comparison.
This guy seems so nervous.
I know. Well, look at him, dude. Look at the ears.
Where the stock was trading,
He fly away,
and
dude.
it's now beloved and has really turned around. But Keith, wasn't this
He's
always
probably
the
just not
promise
good.
of
I mean, I wouldn't even want to do
transform the
this,
real
to be
estate
honest.
market? And then
Like, they're on TV.
I mean, I would for CryptoBank. I'd do this shit in a heartbeat.
Yeah.
I'd talk the shit out of CryptoBank, dude.
Yeah.
I'd make us look like the best thing in the world, dude. Like, that's the thing. If you don't care about the company, like, you're not gonna want to do it. But
No, of course,
if it's
no.
yours and you care about it or you have equity in it, like, you'll kill that shit.
No, but I'm just saying, not everybody's spokespeople. That's why there's levels to everything.
Oh, true.
Like, that's why you have.
I
like,
learned
you know,
how to, yeah.
Yeah, no, of course, and I just choose not to. Like, I can easily do it. I've done it before. It's just I don't like to do it in crowd scenarios or on TV. I just don't like the exposure.
Okay.
That's all it comes down to me is like I can get the
I noticed that
like
about you.
I would be like the Oracle guy. He is never saying anything. You never see him on politics. You never see him on TV. But you always see people talking about him and his pictures put up and everything. That's what I want to be like. You don't hear me speaking, but you know, the shit's happening in the background. Like things are getting done. But that's just more of my personality. I've never really wanted fame, and I never wanted attention that way, because I get it in different ways. So.
Yeah, I noticed that about you. Yeah.
But no, that's good though, because we need somebody, which you would be perfect.
Yeah, I don't mind it at all. I've spoken in front of like 200 people at one point, like for the military. So like, I kind of had to learn how to.
Yeah.
And I got good at it, so I don't mind it at all, man.
That's good, dude.
Yeah.
I know Chris doesn't mind either.
Chris probably loves it.
You know, Chris loves that type of shit.
Yeah.
I just like to sit back, relax, enjoy the show, dude. Like,
Yep.
and make my power moves in silence.
But you can fix that. There's 1,400 employees at Open Door. I don't know what most of them do. We don't need more than 200 of them. It's got easier because of the advent of AI and other technologies. This will be a simple problem. One of the reasons why we were so excited to recruit Kaz actually as CEO is when he took over as COO of Shopify, I believe G&A's expensive revenue of Shopify was 14% last year, or this year I think it'll be 4%, and I'm pretty sure they'll be below that next year. So we need to do the same. We need to have the same discipline and rigor in Open Door. And then when real estate multiples occur, when they go up, we'll make an incredible amount of money. And when people stop transacting, meaning they only sell 3 or 4 million a year, we won't care because we're still going to be profitable.
It's interesting you hinted at cost cuts and the fact that there are a lot of employees and that there's probably a lot of room for cuts, because that's been the other knock on this, is that it was hard to make this a profitable business. The margins are very thin, and for this year, I mean, I think we talked to an analyst who is expecting a loss, continued losses.
Oh yeah, this is what I'll show you.
Financials hasn't started until Monday morning, so when we dive into the financials, I suspect we'll have visibility, and we're going to innovate. We're definitely
Like, it's this easy, dude.
forecast as a given. So I won't.
Yeah, I've looked at one of these before.
So yeah, it's literally the same thing. I mean, some people have different ways they do it, or like different ways they use it, or not candlestick pattern, but reversal pattern. Yeah, even it gets more into. I don't know if you've seen these.
Yeah, I've seen
like Head and Shoulder here. Same thing, like these right here.
Yeah.
The channels and
no,
all that
that's
shit.
see, this is like
it's all real. Yeah.
No, and that's why I always say like, hey, if it breaks through here, then we have more, because sometimes it will break through.
Mm-hmm.
It will only go a little bit and it'll bounce up, but most of the time when it breaks through that, that floor, that barrier, that high volume area, it usually pushes through it a little bit. Like you can get a couple dollars most of the time.
So you have like the double bottom right here, the triple bottom.
Yeah.
Some people call this relative equal highs, relative equal lows, same shit. Some people call this an SMT. It's the same shit.
Yeah.
That's how like all the new guys trade. They're like, oh, it's an SMT. It's the same shit as a double bottom. They're just triple bottom or Head and Shoulders. Like this is its own thing, but and then you have continuation patterns, which you're gonna start seeing. It's literally what we're trading, basically, like continuation patterns, dude. This is it. Like people call these different, all types of different ABCD, whatever. Like they'll call it any different thing. Fill of a fair value, get like whatever, bro. It's all the same shit. Like as long as you get a pullback, and that's when you enter for the swing. That's all we're doing. Like some of them are a little cleaner, some of them are a little messier. Some of them go down, and then they come up. But like each of them has a different target, different way you trade it.
But
Different
at the end
target.
of the day, it's pretty much the same setup.
Exactly, man. And I'm taking it pretty much the same way. But you could see, like, for example, I wanted to see, where was it? This one. Like this. how we enter in like here or something. Our target's up here versus something like this. We can enter here. Our target's still up here, like.
Yeah.
But if it moves in 2 swings, we might get a bigger swing, like versus 3.
That
So
is true.
these things like also help, but I don't know. All these things we're just putting them together and making a trade.
If only 2, 3, 4, 5 are significant winners. The art, of course, in venture capital is the discipline of choosing, and I think it comes down to who's the CEO. This is the point for Open Door. What I've learned in 25 years in tech as both an executive, entrepreneur.
Yeah, with a lot of the big companies, a lot of people who invest like will look at like who the CEO is to see if they're good or not. So once we start getting into that game, we'll have to research.
No, they're always changing CEOs. It was like the one that went to Red Lobster.
Mm-hmm.
Let's talk about it.
He changed their. He saved that company.
Allocate capital, right? First principles. Markets are designed to allocate capital. Consumers are voting with their feet to say we want more capital being allocated to Open Door. That's a good thing. That's how society should work. Like, I think the whole retail movement is misunderstood. It's better when consumers say, I want more of this and less of that. We don't need professionals. We need consumers saying, this is what is better for society, and I want to invest more capital.
No, it wasn't a judgment. It's more that just it would be risky because it's so driven by sentiment and online chats and that sort of thing.
Sentiment's different than potential. Potential, there's option value on potential, pure grade, right? Like, all of us learn how to price that stuff. And what has happened is the company was terrible at explaining the potential upside of the company. This is the Carvana comparison. Easy comparison to make. And the company wasn't even doing this. The company wasn't even engaging in standard investor relations basic fundamentals. So when someone can articulate why does this company matter, what's the potential, and why do we have an unfair advantage and accumulating advantages in getting there? Like, there's nobody else in the world. Either Opendoor's going to do this or nobody's going to do this. There's
How
nobody
long is it
even
going to
trying.
take? How long does it take? Because for 2025,
Anything about Pablo today?
That's who I called earlier.
That's going to could take a while to grow into this valuation.
Did you pick
It's a
up?
good question. I don't have access to financials yet. I'm going to start on
He'll come around.
Yeah, I know.
This is gonna be the most difficult part, but once we get everything going.
Once you're started, it's easy.
Yeah.
It's Friday today, so he might be,
He should be going in Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. He's there from, so it's like maybe we just pull up today. I'm gonna talk to Chris.
I'm down for that.
Because he wasn't there yesterday. He was over on, and maybe he went there later, but he didn't text us back.
Mm-hmm.
Because I called him, and then he said he was gonna call me back, but then Chris got a hold of him. So
You could have got caught up in this game and just.
yeah, I have no idea. He's helping out all the shops. So.
Yeah, power of retail. Keith Boyd, thank you for joining us to talk through it. Really appreciate it. From Coastal Ventures.
Still ahead this morning, another potential media deals in the works. Sources say Paramount Skydance might be getting ready to bid for Warner Discovery, maybe in the next week, David says, or in coming weeks. We'll get David.
Let's see Bitcoin, dude.
It's the biggest week for IPOs in years.
There we go.
And we've got another key player, the CEO of transportation company Via, will join us ahead of the first trade as Squawk of the Street continues.
COPD is an ugly reality. I watch as this world just keeps getting smaller. But then, Trelegy helped us see things a little differently.
I'm only down $70 on my Bitcoin call.
That's it?
Yeah. I'm gonna hold it and see. I might be in profit by next week, dude.
Yeah, I think you should.
I'm only down $70. So if this bull trend keeps going,
It should.
I'll actually be in profit for this thing. I've been down the whole time.
Have you really?
Literally, since I bought it, I bought it here.
Oh,
when
yeah.
I thought the bull swing was gonna switch, and it just.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're just coming back up to it.
No, that makes sense.
I need this sucker to break new highs, dude. Let's see on the weekly. Yeah, next week could be a ripper.
Because breathing should be beautiful all day.
Hopefully.
If you want the real deal, you should switch to Tide. Really? Stuff over there, it's so watered down. Tide cleans the stuff that others miss. Clothes look cleaner, not dingy. They smell great too.
Excuse me.
Can we help you?
I think I'm gonna use the bathroom and shower real quick.
Yeah, no, do you think?
You're good. I'll give you this. If you want to actually take this seat, you can.
Okay, bet.
Totally up to you. I'm not on my hotspot or anything, so you're good.
Oh, nice.
I'll just,
Yeah,
yeah.
you held up.
You're good, bro. Killed it today.
Balling. Good shit, man.
Let's keep going, man. Let's just keep it up, man.
Yeah.
This is what it's about. Soon we'll have 5 accounts. That 700 will be times 5, and 1 week we'll have payouts.
Yeah.
Like let's look at this real quick. I think
Of course.
this week, if it was like funded this week, we would be 1 day away from a payout. Like
So then next week we get a
we'd need 150, and that's it.
and then next Friday we'd be able to.
We can get 1 day. We just need one Monday. If
Yeah,
we
so
had
like
1
next
day,
on Monday, if we were to do it, if this was, we would be able to cash out next week.
cash out for Monday.
Oh, on Monday. Oh, okay. Heard.
So
Heard.
same day, you get the 5th day,
Yeah.
and you cash out. Like, you
That's
don't wait.
dope.
Yeah,
That's dope. And it takes what, 24 hours to hit?
yeah, I think so.
Wire transfer?
Same day, yeah. Yeah. So I'm telling you, man, we're like,
I'm excited. Yeah. No, I can feel it. I can taste it. It's time to do it.
let's do it, man.
Let's take a look at shares of both Paramount and Warner Brothers Discovery this day after we reported, obviously, of course, the Wall Street Journal, to be fair, reporting first that Paramount Skydance is preparing a bid for Warner Brothers Discovery. That is the case. Expected bid.